The annual Hajj pilgrimage to Mecca requires organizing the movement of over 2 million people through a confined area, a challenge that led to past tragedies, including fatal stampedes. Today, Saudi Arabia has implemented a surveillance and crowd control system rivaling anything used at major military installations, including real-time aerial imaging, GPS heat maps, and motion tracking AI.
Imagine 2 million people all in one place. Now picture them moving, praying, and walking together. This is the Hajj, and in the past, it's led to terrible accidents. However, today, things are different. Thanks to cool technology and smart planning, the Hajj is now safer. The annual Hajj pilgrimage to Mecca brings together a massive crowd. Managing this many people presents huge challenges. But advancements in tech, detailed planning, and smart crowd management have made it safer. These changes help prevent future accidents. Understanding the Hajj pilgrimage and its historical challenges. The Hajj is a really important pilgrimage for Muslims. It's a journey to Mecca, Saudi Arabia. Muslims come from all over the world to do it. There are specific things they must do while they are there. Sadly, in the past, there have been many accidents during the Hajj. The 5 pillars of Islam and the Hajj's significance. Islam has 5 pillars. These are like the main rules that Muslims follow. One of these is the Hajj. If a Muslim is healthy and can afford it, they must go to Mecca for the Hajj at least once in their life. It's a very important part of their faith. A history of Hajj tragedies, causes and consequences. Over the years, terrible things have happened during the Hajj. Stampedes, fires, and other accidents have caused many deaths and injuries. These tragedies often happened because there were too many people. Also, communication wasn't great, and the roads and buildings weren't designed to handle so many pilgrims. Technology's role in modern Hajj management. Technology is now a big part of managing the Hajj. It helps with keeping crowds under control, sharing information, and improving safety. These tools have really changed how the Hajj is organized. Surveillance and monitoring systems. There are cameras everywhere during the Hajj. CCTV cameras and drones watch the crowds. This helps people see where it's getting too crowded. If there's a problem, they can respond quickly. This surveillance is crucial for spotting issues early. Communication and information dissemination. Pilgrims now get real-time updates on their phones. Mobile apps share important info, like safety tips and directions. Digital signs display messages in different languages. This helps everyone stay informed and safe.
Data analytics and predictive modeling. Experts use data to predict where crowds will go. They use this to find possible problem spots. This helps them make better plans. With this knowledge, organizers can manage the flow of people efficiently. Strategic planning and infrastructure improvements. Besides tech, careful planning helps manage the Hajj. New buildings and better roads make it safer. These changes are key to handling the big crowds. Expanding infrastructure and improving accessibility. The Grand Mosque has gotten bigger, giving more space to pilgrims. The Jamarat Bridge was rebuilt to make it safer for people throwing stones. These building projects help handle more people and keep them safe. Crowd management strategies and traffic control. There are now designated paths for pilgrims. People arrive at different times to avoid overcrowding. Barriers and fences guide the crowds. These methods help control the flow of people and prevent stampedes. Safety protocols and emergency response systems. There are safety rules in place for the Hajj. Emergency teams are ready to help. Medical centers are available for anyone who gets sick or hurt. Evacuation plans are ready if needed. The human element, training and awareness. People also play a big role in Hajj safety. Training for workers and educating pilgrims is key. These efforts make the Hajj safer and better for everyone. Training programs for Hajj personnel. Security guards, doctors, and volunteers get special training. They learn how to manage crowds and respond to emergencies. They also learn about different cultures. This training helps them do their jobs well. Educating pilgrims, safety guidelines, and cultural awareness. Before the Hajj, pilgrims learn about safety rules. They also learn about local customs. This happens through classes, books, and support in different languages. This knowledge helps them stay safe and respect local traditions. Future challenges and opportunities. Even with all the improvements, challenges remain. Finding new ways to make the Hajj safer is important. Addressing overcrowding and capacity constraints. The number of pilgrims keeps growing. Setting limits and encouraging travel at different times could help. Developing new routes can also spread out the crowds. Integrating smart technologies and sustainable practices. New technologies could make the Hajj even better. AI could help manage crowds. Renewable energy could make it more sustainable. These innovations could improve the Hajj experience. Conclusion. Technology, planning, and training have greatly improved safety during the Hajj. These advancements are very important for keeping millions of Muslims safe during their pilgrimage. Let's keep working to make the Hajj even better. Ensuring the safety of everyone is a must.